Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet a new event started and I will provide you the correct code for this event. If you apply this code you will get 2000 free gems. First of all, click on missions. Now click on Storacha campaign. Little scroll down, here you see event option, click on it. Now click enter code. Here you put right code. The code is STORA 2, all capital letters, Stora 2. After writing Stora 2, click on next button. Here you see I earn 2000 gems as a correct option. Hopefully you enjoying the video. Kindly like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.